light, so I want to know what's going on. It's not much to get back the light, Mr. Campbell.
Sorry, that I got we chuck off in that. What?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so how long have you been living here in this community?
We've been living in this community more than 30 years.
More than 30 years?
Yes.
Okay, so I would want to know if there is any running water in this community from you are living here or from you were born here.
Well, we have one pump, one of the river around the other side, Sawmill.
Yes.
We then pump the water, but 3 months before the storm.
No water?
No water.
Okay.
Until now.
Okay.
Over 1 year, no water.
We can't get no water.
And it has been 7 months since the hurricane passed.
Yeah.
So how have you guys been recuperating after the hurricane?
Alright, it's hard because we can't get no water.
And water is life.
Yes.
Good.
And we're sitting in the middle of 2 water.
This river now.
One on the right, one on the left.
The
we can't get no water. 2 water. We're in the middle of the
yes,
one on the right, one on the left, and there's no water.
Yes.
You know?
And this river support us.
Okay.
Right, both washing clothes,
drinking,
and drinking,
taking care of household.
Yes.
All right.
For decades.
For decades.
Decades.
Yes, because I have passed here a lot of times. Even before that water plant was erected over there, I have passed here many times and see the water running across.
This is where the people get the water.
My God, it is so pretty, man.
This is where the people get all the water.
This water,
yes,
been tested. This water go to England.
Yes.
And come back.
Yes.
And then make you know that this water don't have a smell, nor it never sour.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay.
Because them used to have a wheel right out there, so.
Yes.
Water wheel.
So that's how the community get the name water wheel.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So English name.
So you go back into the sea?
Oh, straight out into the sea.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Right.
Yes. So when you have a lot of rainfall, does it like overflow on the road? Or?
No.
It change color.
No.
It's only that if the rain fall,
Yeah.
we wash off of the hillside,
Yes.
wash down, and then they place another half hour.
It
come back.
Clear up back.
Clear up.
Okay. All right. Well, all right, Mr. Jones, thanks for your time, and we hope to, when this video go out and people, the regular authority sees this video, then they will come and help you guys in the community as it regards to water.
Man, because all the people them will live up in the hill or something. Suffer for water.
Yeah,
man. So you say them cave, water wheel.
Yeah, so water wheel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Further down a cave.
Yeah.
Okay.
All the people them will live up in the hill, man. Right now, I don't know, no truck passes since morning.
Yes.
Them have to truck water.
To the people up in the hills.
And
Yeah.
them have to buy it.
Okay.
And we have a big rainforest over there, sir. Hurricane come, nothing for the community. No truck in the water, no back to school, nothing for the people for the people them for them build up. Nothing they do for the community.
Yes.
And this water, if it decades for me come here come live, like me a stranger.
Yes.
I hit people wash them, cook with,
Clean and everything.
few much 100 years.
Yes. Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man.
And we say we have a major player. They must can do something for the old people in the community. No treat to the hurricane, no water, nothing, no back to school, nothing. And we reuse the water for free.
It's rough.
So we there.
People, so can you believe say we live in a place where we have there's a hoodland and water, and in other community realize the government will reach out and look into that situation. And they live by water, and we can't believe say no running water and a pipe they right here, so yeah man, the water wheel right next to cave, people have to buy water and things. So we're right next to one river. I'm showing the river right now and can't believe that. So if you don't see that video here, please me ask you to make it go viral so some authority can see what go on in the place here, because we are to a place and we want to get some assistance. So after Hurricane Melissa, you know, say a whole heap of devastation in that place, and water is life. Yeah man, so I walk the place and show you what go on. Yeah man, I want to go back and say, yeah daddy?
Not even the MP.
None at all. No come and say nothing.
Brethren, when the MP run, he come here so, right? And I drag him out of van for see who him.
Yeah, I don't know any name. What MP name?
Me don't know.
See, can you believe so in our community and they don't know the MP, because it's when some people reach the power, them forget them people we live in the area, so them don't know the MP, so that's sad same way. I mean, I will tell you story with again with the water. What you say with their name?
Water wheels.
Water wheel. So no need to come right here so and see what I go on. The people them have no water down here. And then right next to a river. I tell you, I no water there, so it looks sad, man. Very sad. Yeah, man. So I take a walk, go past and see what I go on here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, people, so please make that video go viral and yeah, man, so I got you one local place here. Yeah, man. Wash your face in a Westmoreland near cave. So we walk and see what I go on. Yeah, man, go up some local rock stone and thing. So Williams there, say come. Yes, people will walk, we'll see if we can find a river.
Sometimes I don't want to talk because I don't come from here, I don't want people to kill me because I don't speak.
No, but
you refuse to fight, we are fighting.
You're living here and a
But
fight,
it's not nice.
But
you know what I mean?
You can make a change, you know.
So, I say, rainforest not do nothing, and them use free water. Yeah. And you want them to whole hurricane come, they don't do nothing. Want to the MP, Mr. Campbell, we never see him for him around. The councillor, Michael, we don't see him in the area. No representative for the people. Whoa. You know, I mean, I want to do too much things because I don't come from here.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Yeah. So I can't afford to take up my responsibility, people responsibility, because my people, they need responsibility.
Somebody have to talk. Somebody have to talk out still.
But like me, I say, nothing. Nathan Campbell and the previous MP, no water.
Because guess what, you say if you don't keep silent, nothing not going to happen, you know.
Yes, I mean.
When you say if you don't talk out, you say if more than one people talk out, then so this will not go see little action.
Hurricane come, everywhere people get things with four up on their house. This is an area with a few little people, not in 100 people or 200 big people not there.
Hear them.
Happy old people. I may not see no treat for the people them. I may not see no care package. I may not see nothing.
Nothing.
I may not see no roofing that do for the people them. You can't go build upon them. Nobody no come in and do no roofing for the people them. You know what I mean? The people need a voice. But I don't think my voice is for the people.
So this one, the voice is going to hurt today.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, man, the voice is going to be heard today.
You know what I mean? I like me, I say, it's hard and it's bad. You know, me live on the side of the road with me, I just me one, me can bat and go through. But one to all the people them.
Yeah.
No chuck in the water, people feel buy water. Suppose we never have the river, what happen?
A bed for water.
People that stink.
Of course.
And we have more old people, more young people.
Yes.
Yes. So what the old people then going to move?
Can't carry the water.
They can't carry the water.
They can't carry the water.
So what me I say, what happened to the people in the water wheel? Nothing. Yeah, so me I say, Mr. Lute, Mr. Nathan Campbell, you know do nothing. Mr. Michael, what you see out in the White House? Nothing. All you know is to stay home and shit enough on the tile and have water to flush it.
Yes,
The people don't have no light for home out for over here. Over 1 year the people don't have no Michael and Mr. Campbell. One of the for the people them. Nothing you know but the people don't even know no.
Oh my.
Me do more for the people them in a hurricane. And white people give people money. Pour money to their account.
Sad though.
And bringing food, come give them. And the relevant authority. Mr. Campbell, you know, do nothing Nathan Campbell. You couldn't build a garbage pan up in the brown zone where you come from. I know you travel around the whole place there. People they want a garbage pan and you drive down with your home and down in the brown zone and you couldn't build a garbage pan. How the people that vote for you?
Yeah. That's a concern, man.
And you couldn't build a garbage pan, I ask me travel around Jamaica. You know, do nothing, Michael.
At all.
Nothing do better. Not even show no face. The people, old people are suffer. No water, nothing. No chuck in the water. Wake up, people.
Yes, man.
It's not about PMP or JLP, it's about the people.
True.
We're not talking about politics here.
It's not politics,
we're not talking
about politics for the people.
People them need the help, so they forget the help.
People don't want, people don't want, you know, people need.
True, people need.
Look, in between the two water sources, the pump houses around there, you want a sawmill. With their water wheel, and the people don't have no water.
Yeah.
What?
We have to take water upon we head. We have the people have to buy how much truckload of water for $12,000-15,000. Then so much we end up in our back. People up in our back have light and only few little posts up here, so, and the people then can get like, Wagwan JPS, Wagwan, Mr. Campbell. You know what I mean? Wagwan,
so electricity no restore in that area?
No, just right to the shop there.
So that's about people. People feel like, say, the
and
JPS
it's not much to get back the light, so I want to know what's going on. It's not much to get back the light, Mr. Campbell. Michael, there's no relevant to stepping out for the people. I'm just a stranger and just making my voice heard for the people.
Yeah. All right,
you know, I don't want to cause an upstart and people.
No upstart, man, but your voice and concern.
Your voice.
Very important.
You know what I mean? Got your back. Me have to carry the people, me have to help the people there. Me give them food to hurricane. Me give them money in their account. People that will give them money. And we have facts can show. To anybody, to PMP or JLP, we can show because we have everything what we run through the account. We have evidence. You know?
Yes, man. So.
Yeah. Big up my veteran friend up in the Kingston, run it straight.
Yes, man. Big up.
You know that. You crew, everything like that.
Yes, man.
And all the troop them.
Yeah, man.
Without you, I could never do what I do.
Okay.
So I appreciate you for your input.
True.
To give the people what they want.
Program.
No, we don't go up to the program. We work for people.
Yeah.
So we bring in container with food and we give them money.
Yeah.
So we don't run it yet, you couldn't do it.
Okay.
You know?
You got yourself right.
Yeah. So I'm gonna tell you, 2 water, no care package, rainforest, no back to school.
Okay.
You know?
Right.
JPS, now restore, no current, only 4 posts. Need to straighten up. Boom. You know, take 1 day. What is the problem?
And they make the impression, they make it like every place get back current.
No.
And
no.
It's not like that, my people. So, you see? Yeah, man, I tell you, say, gentleman advice in concern, and yeah, man, we're there at Westmoreland, and yeah, man, we need a video to go viral so somebody can see it, so the people them can get some water in that area, because we realize a lot of elderly person in this area who is not getting any water, who live way up on the hill. Yes, man.
We have 150 people live over here.
Yeah, and they can't get no water same way. Yeah, man, so you walk back out in there on the main, you know. I'll show you where I'm going, I'll show you the river. I'll show you exactly the location of the rainforest. And we need somebody to come out and represent this area. Yeah, man, represent the area, because it don't look good. It's not about politics, but it's all about our people who are living in this area, guys. And it's hard to know, say, you have so much water here, river running, and the people them can't get no water. Where you say, my boss, Baridan?
Yeah, I know, man.
Where you, man? Where you say the pan?
They're on the tour, you know.
Yeah, man.
Water wheel, you know.
We don't love Wagwan.
Yeah, man. We don't like Wagwan and water
People them
wheel.
can't get no water, and
The people them have the most water system around here, and them not get no water in them house and them something. They have to take bucket and them something they get water. You know, nice, brother.
yeah, man, and big up a channel for me to make people know where Wagwan, the channel. Tell them Wagwan.
Child.
The channel.
The channel, yeah, man. YouTube channel, man. Full package, man. You can look it up on YouTube, guys.
Yeah, man.
Buried and go on TikTok.
TikTok.
Don't know. Thing are going good.
Yes, man.
But we need some more support.
Support, still. So support the boss, each one help one. So we're up on the journey same way, so your water sources like, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Water away, yeah, man. But sure, no sign. No must know that, no know the landmark here, you know. See landmark right here, so can't fight the landmark here, you know. I'm not passing, so now see the landmark here. Is it? I don't know anything set up if you don't want to know. And I'm call it, a lot of people them buy them ballista and things, so when you come a cave, when you can check if you get on a ballista, like close to today Sunday, a whole heap of different type of ballista in a cave, Westmoreland. You see the sign right at the church, right on the main. Yeah, man, see the place, yeah. Yeah, man, so when you can come by on a ballista right here. And see the rainforest place there over there, so yeah, man, it's a big rainforest storage area, guys. Yeah, man, see it there. We drive them road all the while, and a lot of people don't get a chance to come out, see Bridger. See Bridger. Yo man, so I'll show you what I'm going right here. You see a lot of power lines run back in them places thing, but in the turn off them don't get any electricity and things. See it? So this is the rainforest right here, and maybe them voice can be heard. So this is the rainforest. Water resource and all them things there. Water wheel, seafood. Yeah, man, a lot of people pass the place and don't even know there's a seafood storage right here. Yeah man, right here is a seafood storage. So big up for yourself anyone I watch from yard and abroad. I don't know. I'm the tour guide, is a Fire Reid in the Westmoreland area. And please remember to like, share and subscribe to the video and share it all over the place. One love, one heart, True Jamaican Vibes. Fire Reid. Yeah man, kind of close to the river same way.
Yeah man, we chuck off in there, what?
Yeah man, I'm great buried and people.
Yeah man, it's nice man, cool. Water wheel.
Yes man, big up yourself buried and
Yeah. Yeah man, the water nice.